For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a roadside food stall can be a smart and affordable way to enter the food business without the massive overhead of a full-scale restaurant. With the help of free AI tools, the entire process from planning to marketing can be streamlined, automated, and even optimized for better decision-making. This guide will walk you through the essential steps and show you how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Google Sheets, and Looka to bring your idea to life efficiently and affordably. Step 1. Define your food concept and target audience. Start by deciding what kind of food you want to sell. Will it be tacos, hot dogs, sandwiches, vegan bowls, or coffee and pastries? Your food offering should be based on local demand, available ingredients, and your skills. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm food stall concepts by asking, suggest 5 unique and profitable food stall ideas for a busy urban location. You can also ask, who are the best target customers for a roadside food stall selling your chosen food? This helps you identify your ideal customers, office workers, students, tourists, or morning commuters, so you can tailor your offerings. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A solid business plan lays the foundation for your success. It helps you clarify your vision, set goals, and stay organized. Use ChatGPT to draft your plan with this prompt. Write a simple business plan for a roadside food stall selling, type of food, and location. Include sections on concept, target market, startup costs, operations, marketing, and financial projections. Review and revise as needed. You can also use Google Docs to edit, format, and share your business plan with partners or local authorities. Step 3. Conduct market research using free AI tools. To validate your idea, research local competition, traffic patterns, and potential customer behaviors. Use ChatGPT with the prompt. List ways to research foot traffic and competitors for a roadside food stall in your city. For analyzing trends, use Google Trends and type in search phrases like street food near me or your dish food truck. Combine your findings in a Google Sheet to keep your insights organized. You can ask ChatGPT, create a Google Sheets layout for tracking food stall competitor data and daily foot traffic. Step 4. Choose a strategic location. Your location can make or break your business. Ideal spots include outside college campuses, near business hubs, public transit areas, or markets. Use Google Maps to scout locations and ChatGPT for tips using this prompt. What factors should I consider when choosing a roadside food stall location and city? If zoning laws apply, check your local city website or ask ChatGPT. How can I find local food stall regulations and permits in your city/state? Step 5. Design your brand and logo with free AI tools. Branding your food stall helps make it memorable. You can use Looka, a free AI logo generator, to create a logo. Input your business name, pick colors and style, and download your logo. Prompt. Use Looka to create a street food logo with a playful and vibrant style named business name. For menu and sign design, use Canva. Prompt. Design a one-page street food menu on Canva using bold fonts and bright colors. ChatGPT can assist with content by asking, write a catchy slogan for a street food stall selling food type. Step 6. Estimate startup costs and create a budget. AI can help you plan financially without hiring an accountant. Open Google Sheets and use the prompt. Create a budget spreadsheet template for a food stall business, including costs for equipment, ingredients, permits, and daily supplies. Use ChatGPT to generate your list of estimated costs. What are the typical startup costs for a small roadside food stall selling food type? Break down costs for equipment, grill, cooler, utensils, permits, signage, and opening inventory. Step 7. Register your business and obtain permits. Even for a small roadside stall, legal compliance is essential. Ask ChatGPT, what licenses and permits do I need to start a roadside food stall in your city or state? You'll likely need a food handler certificate mobile vendor permit, and health inspection. Visit your city's official website for applications. ChatGPT can help you write an email inquiry. Write a professional email requesting information on how to apply for a street vendor license in city. Step 8. Source equipment and ingredients. Now it's time to get the tools you need to cook and serve. Use ChatGPT with the prompt. Create a checklist of essential tools and cooking equipment for a roadside food stall selling your dish. You can also ask, what's the most affordable way to buy food stall equipment? For ingredient sourcing, consider local suppliers or wholesalers. ChatGPT can help draft a sample supplier email. Write a short inquiry email to a wholesale food supplier asking about pricing and delivery. Step 9. Develop your menu and test recipes. Keep your menu small and focused for efficiency. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm menu items and descriptions. Suggest 5 simple and popular menu items for a type of food stall. Once you have your items, test them with friends or at a soft opening. ChatGPT can even help with cost control. Create a recipe cost calculator template in Google Sheets to track profit margins. Step 10. Promote your stall with AI-powered marketing. Promotion is critical to getting your first customers. Canva and ChatGPT work great together here. Create eye-catching flyers on Canva and ask ChatGPT to write ad copy. Write a fun flyer headline for a street food stall selling food type. Post your flyers on community boards and social media. Use ChatGPT to create your content calendar. Create a 7-day social media posting schedule for a new food stall business. For video promotion, use CapCut's free AI-powered mobile editor to create 15-second promotional clips. Ask ChatGPT. Write a short video script promoting a new street food stall called in location. Conclusion. Starting a roadside food stall business has never been more accessible thanks to free AI tools that empower entrepreneurs with smart planning, cost control, branding, and marketing. From idea to execution, tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Looka, and Google Sheets allow you to take professional-level actions with little to no cost. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.